position. Strengthen me where I am weak. Bring me closer to your anointed. God, help me. Come on. Come on. Anybody hear God talking to you? The Spirit said make a change. Come on. 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 Listen, friend. This thing is so personal. It is so individualistic. You cannot afford to wait for someone else to break the ice. If you know you need him, and God has allowed you to come in here knowing the condition that you're in and calling your soul. If I was you, I would run tonight. Come on. 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 Don't turn him away. Though he can do a whole lot more with you than you've ever been able to do for yourself. He is a specialist. He knows how to correct the problem that's in your heart and send you out here a brand new creature. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't leave here empty, baby. Let him fill you tonight. Don't leave here hooked to yourself. Let him perform surgery. Let him circumcise your situation and get you loose from yourself, from the world and from the devil. So you can leave here a person that will represent Jesus, not just at church, but wherever you are. Come on, 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 come on. The Spirit of the living God is in the house saying, I want you. I call you. You belong to me. I want to bring about a change in you that'll make you glad for turning.